Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. It's Friday and I hope you're enjoying today's live episode with a warm cup of tea because winters have started. And today I'm going to show you such exciting sarees, very amazing collections, Kanchi Pattu sarees, which you're going to love and place the order for right away. As you know, Varamahalakshmi Silks is known for the beautiful Kanchipuram silk sarees and I will be showing you many different colors. Let me first show you the one that I'm wearing right now. Have a look at the beautiful mint green color Kanchipattu sari. On the body of this one, we have florals in curvy checks in silver copper zari. On the mint color body, the border has cross lines with floral jal, again in copper zari. And the beautiful pallu has florals in cross checks. Copper zari again, beautiful brocade work. Let me now show you the self blouse for this lovely sari. And to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BZ489. Weaver's price is 15,199 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, as I already mentioned, today's episode is going to be very exciting because I have a wide range of designs and colors too. So all you have to do is you need to let me know what kind of sarees you want to see in today's collection. Let me know your answers in the comment section down below and I will be able to show you more of your favorites so that you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. The weaver's prices are valid only from 24 hours, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous saree. This one is in purple with orange color. It's a very lovely color combination and you don't see a lot of sarees in this combination. So it's a unique one. On the body we have self-embossed florals and leaves jal. Very bright and beautiful work is there. And the border, which is in peach orange color, we have florals in zari checks. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has strips and lines in gold zari, and we have a lovely contrasting blouse to place an order. Please take a screenshot along with the item code that is CA863. Weaver's price is 8,079. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to today's next beautiful sari. This one is a lovely pink sari and ladies, as you already know, I always recommend all of you to have all the shades of pink because it's a color that will always make you glow, always make you look beautiful like a rose. So let me now show you this beautiful bright pink color Kanchipattu sari. On the body of this beautiful sari, we have zari checks in gold. And along with that, we have yalis and floral buttis. Our border has temples, dollars in boxes, florals in lines, and yalis with florals and leaves jar. Then we have zigzag lines and small zari boxes and lines too. All this gorgeous work is in gold zari, which is making your sari very bright, very royal too. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. We have florals and cross checks. There are dollars in boxes. We have polkas, temples, yalis with florals. A lot of beautiful gold zari work. And let me now show you the lovely self blouse for this very lovely pink sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is CA891. Weaver's price is 15,345 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very elegant one, so let me show you the details right away. Let's have a look at the next one. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just remind you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option that is only available in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at this very beautiful, very elegant sari. Wow, look at the lovely color of this one. Moving on to the details of this beautiful sari, which is in beige color. It's a beige with pink sari and body has self-embossed leaf buttees. So we have lovely silver and gold zari leaf buttees on the body. And the border has zigzag lines. We have triangles and florals and leaves jal, and the work is in copper and silver zari both. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. So it's a lovely contrasting pallu. We have florals and cross checks in silver zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA868. Weaver's prices 8,479. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari in a lovely combination of mehndi green with magenta. Let's have a look at the gorgeous details of this one. First of all, it's very lightweight, so very easy to carry too. And on the body of this one, we have zari checks in gold zari. Along with that, we have peacocks with floral buttees in gold and silver zari. The border in magenta color has peacocks with floral buttees in gold and silver zari again. Very simple and elegant work is there. And here's the beautiful pallu, which has brocade work. So we have drop buttees in gold zari. We also have paisleys and dollars and boxes in silver zari. Let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse which has zari lines over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA897. Weaver's price is 10,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next gorgeous sari, ladies, let me just thank our very dear customer Miss Rani Kumari ji, who's loving the look, who's loving my beautiful look today. Thank you so much. In fact, I also love the look that I'm carrying today. The beautiful sari in mint color, very pastel color, totally suits my style. And I hope you will place the order for this beautiful sari right away, because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Let's move on to the next gorgeous sari. This one is in green and sea green color. Another beautiful combination, and it's a very lightweight sari. So on the body of this gorgeous sari from Kanchipattu collection, we have leaf buttees in zari. This is copper zari work on the body. And border in sea green color has florals in lines. We also have paisleys in lines. We have zigzag lines, and all this beautiful work is in copper zari. The pallu has floral buttees and cross lines over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse for your very beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA887. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So next gorgeous sari is for a very gorgeous customer, Miss Sahiba Khanji, and this one is a beautiful dark maroon sari just like you wanted. Let me show you the details right away so that you can place the order also right away. Here comes the beautiful sari for Miss Beautiful Sahiba ji. On the body of this beautiful dark maroon sari, we have butterfly buttees, making the sari look so pretty. Very gorgeous. There's copper zari work on the body. Such a classy sari. We have a simple and elegant border. So we have cross lines in copper zari along with the florals and leaf jal on the edge. And here's the beautiful contrasting pallu, which has brocade work We have drop buttees all over it along with the florals and leaves jal. And we have a very beautiful contrasting blouse in orange color. To place in order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA884. Weaver's price is 15,199 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So now, dear ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices and lives too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Dear beautiful ladies, I am back to show you beautiful saris, and let's start with this beautiful one. Very lovely one, which has self-embossed work on it. Totally love this beautiful sari. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this one, which is in mint green and sea green color, we have paisleys with florals and leaves jal, and all this work is in self-embossed work. Gorgeous, delicate, beautiful sari. And the border in sea green color has temples, florals and boxes and diamonds in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has zigzag lines, florals and lines, and brocade work all over it in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting blouse which has brocade work on it too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA896. Weaver's price is 14,399 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer, Miss Sahana ji, who is also loving the episode and loving the collection today. Thank you so much for being here and enjoying our episode too. I hope you will stay tuned till the end because I have such amazing saris to show to you today. Moving on to the next lovely one, and this one, it's a gorgeous magenta color kanchipattu sari. On the body of this beautiful sari, we have floral buttees and cross checks with zari. That's gold zari work on the magenta body. And border in navy blue color has diamonds and peacocks with florals and lines. You can see gold zari shining so beautifully. And here is the pallu, which is diamond brocade work over it. We have diamonds in cross checks along with the peacocks with florals and champagne gold zari. Let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY302. Weaver's price is 15,999 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next lovely sari, ladies, let me just thank our very lovely customer, Miss Kamini ji, who's loving the episode and the saris. Thank you so much for your compliment, and I hope you are going to stay till the end because I'm going to show you amazing saris in today's episode. Let me now show you the next gorgeous one. And it's a very beautiful color combination. Totally love this one. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this light pink with sea green color kanchipattu sari, we have florals and leaves in self-embossed work. You can see the sari combination, the design, everything looks very gorgeous. It's like a must-have for your wardrobe because these kind of saris, this kind of work is very unique. The border has zigzag lines and zari boxes and copper and silver zari. And the lovely pallu, which has strips and florals. So you can see the gorgeous copper zari work. We also have diamonds at the end of the pallu. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse which has brocade work all over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA879. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank a very dear customer, Miss Ira Paul, and I hope you're enjoying today's episode. I hope you're having a lot of fun watching this lovely sarees collection. These are Kanchipattu sarees, pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. They are going to be the heirloom of your family at one time. So please make sure you're placing the order right away for these exclusive, amazing sarees. Moving on to the next one. Here comes another beautiful saree in green color. So it's a green with pink saree. Lovely color combination. And on the body of this one, we have peacocks and florals in circles. Gold zari on the green looks subtle yet very beautiful at the same time. Border has paisleys and boxes, cross lines, peacocks with florals. In gold zari. And here's the pallu which has floral brocade work over it. So we have florals and cross checks and peacocks and circular butties in gold zari. Let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse which is in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA894. Weaver's price is 13,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful saree from today's episode of Kanchipattu Sarees. Here comes a beautiful saree, a borderless one, so giving it a very contemporary look. And I love the design over it too, so let's have a look at the details. On the body of this lovely wine saree, we have geometrical butties in zari. You can see the beautiful pattern that's created with the pink color threadwork and gold zari. Very beautiful, gorgeous saree. And it's borderless, so giving it a very unique look, contemporary style. And let me now show you the pallu which has geometrical shapes in zari. Look at this gorgeous, huge pattern all over the pallu. And a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA892. Weaver's price is 13,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next saree for today's episode, and this one is going to be a very beautiful royal blue color Kanchipattu saree. You're all going to love it, so please make sure you're placing your orders right away, as the Weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to next saree now. Here comes the beautiful, gorgeous blue color Kanchipattu saree. On the body of this beautiful saree, we have paisleys, butties and floral butties in gold and copper zari. And here's the border in green color which has cross lines, florals and leaves jal with peacocks and zigzag lines in copper zari. And let me also show you the pallu which has leaf butties and cross checks. This is lovely gold zari work along with silver zari florals and leaves jal. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA874. Weaver's price is 6,479. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful saree, and this one is a gorgeous shade of green. Here comes a lovely lightweight Kanchipattu saree. On the body of this beautiful green saree, we have floral butties in zari. The silver zari is shining brightly on the green color body, as you can see. Looks very gorgeous, very classy. And the border in sea green color has temples, dollars in boxes, yallis and elephants in boxes. We have zigzag lines. And again, we have a repetition of work to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here's the pallu, which has florals and cross checks over it in silver zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA880. Weaver's price is 14,399 and we need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer, Miss Srilata ji, who's loving the saris. Also, let me know which sari you specifically like so that next time I can show you more of your favorites too. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari from today's episode of Kanchi Pattu saris. These are pure Kanjivaram silk saris. And they're so affordable too. You can see that I'm trying to show you in so many different colors and price ranges also. On the body of this purple color Kanchi Pattu sari, we have self checks with peacock buttis. The peacocks are in circular buttis. That's self-embossed work all over the purple color body. And the border has florals and leaves jal and zigzag lines in silver zari. The beautiful pallu has brocade work over it. So we have polkas and curvy checks in silver zari and a very beautiful self blouse for your very beautiful purple sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA866. Weaver's price is 8,079 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next lovely sari, let me just thank our very lovely customer, Miss Rani Kumari ji. Thank you for calling me gorgeous, first of all. That really made my day. And thank you for being here. I'm sure you're enjoying today's episode. Also, let me know what colors, what designs you want to see so that I can present more of your favorites to you. Moving on to the next one now. Here comes a lovely bright orange color Kanchi Pattu sari. Beautiful color. Let's have a look at the body. We have floral buttis and silver zari on the body. And the border in mustard mehendi green color has temples, peacocks and paisleys and cross lines. So peacocks are in gold zari and rest of the beautiful work is in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. So we have beautiful silver zari work on the green color contrasting pallu. And there's a lovely green color contrasting blouse also. So to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA878. Weaver's price is 6,639 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another beautiful sari, and this one is in wine color. Let's have a look at the details. This one is also a beautiful borderless sari which gives it the unique look, the contemporary look. And we have very small zari checks in gold zari all over the body. There are small floral buttis too in gold zari. It's a borderless sari giving it the contemporary look. And the beautiful pallu has brocade. So we have horses with florals. There are zari boxes and zari lines in gold zari. A lot of gorgeous work is there. And let me also show you the beautiful contrasting blouse in navy blue color. To place an order for this very classy sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA886. Weaver's price is 14,080. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is for a very dear customer, Miss Rani ji, who wants to see a pista green sari. So I think I have the perfect sari for you right here. Let me just show you the details. And I will definitely show you more options, but please do keep this one also in your options. On the body of this lovely sari, we have florals and paisleys jal. The gold zari work is looking extremely subtle and adding a lovely shine to the pista green color body. And the border in teal blue color has small zari boxes and floral jal with diamonds. There's a combination of copper zari and silver zari. And the lovely pallu has floral brocade work. So we have gold zari work on the teal blue color pallu and a very beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA860. Weaver's price is 10,879 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So Miss Rani ji, since you like this sari, I hope you're placing the order right away also. As you know, the weavers prices are valid only for 24 hours. And if you avail to the weavers prices, that's amazing because these saris become so affordable and so amazing for your wardrobe. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari, and this one is in beautiful classic combination of red with green. Again, a must-have, and it's a classic from the Kanchipattu collection. On the body of this one, we have small zari checks in gold. And on top of that, we have floral booties in gold and silver zari. The border has zari lines, diamonds and florals and leaves jal and dollars and boxes. And our pallu has weave brocade work with florals and diamonds in boxes. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in green color. And we also have a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA882. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just remind you that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of saris and exclusive offers just for you. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends in fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function, every event that you attend. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari. This one is in a beautiful sea green color. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this sari, we have geometrical buttis in silver zari, giving it a very authentic look, very classy design, and border has batik print over it. It's a very beautiful print. It's a lovely contrast of zari work on the body and print on the border, making the sari very unique. Pallu has florals and strips and lines in silver zari, shining brightly on the sea green color. And a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA865. Weaver's price is 9,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to today's next sari. This one is a gorgeous sari in blue color with unique work on it again, and it's a very lightweight sari, I must tell you. On the body of this beautiful blue sari, we have huge florals and leaves jal in self-embossed work, which makes the sari very lightweight. You can see the bright colors that have been used on the navy blue body, and border has simple and elegant cross lines in gold zari. The pallu has zigzag lines over it, and a gorgeous contrasting blouse in magenta color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA877. Weaver's price is 7,040. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari in emerald green color, a very royal color, a very beautiful sari too. And it's a very lightweight one again, so let's have a look at the gorgeous details. On the body of the beautiful green with brown color Kanchipattu sari, we have floral buttis on the body in gold zari. The border has temples on the edge, diamonds, paisleys and lines, florals and boxes, peacocks with florals, and again a repetition of work to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here is the pallu, which has florals and cross checks. And a beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA875. Weaver's price is 6,239. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to the next gorgeous sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. You just need to follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our current trends, fashions exclusive collections and offers too. Moving on to it now.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And here I have the next beautiful sari for a very beautiful customer, Miss Leela ji. Since you wanted a borderless sari, here I have one for you. Let's get started with the body of this peach color Kanchipattu sari, which has florals on the body. You can see the lovely design. So it's an autumn theme sari. You can see the leaves. You can see the umbrellas, the wind, beautiful design all over the body. We have different types of zari work and we have self-embossed work too. It's a very gorgeous design. Very unique sari, I must tell you. It's a borderless sari, giving it a very unique and contemporary look. And our pallu has geometrical shapes in zari. Have a look at the gorgeous detailing. Let me now show you the self blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA888. Weaver's price is 14,080. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear Miss Leela ji, I have shown 2-3 more borderless sarees in today's episode before this one. So please go through from the beginning of the episode once the videos are saved, so that you can choose your beautiful pick and pick your lovely saree. Moving on to this one, and it's in red color, another very classy saree from Kanchipattu collection, and with a beautiful design over it. Look at the gorgeous detailing of this one. On the body of this, we have floral buttees in gold zari. And here we have smaller floral buttees with peacocks and florals and leaf jal and cross lines in gold zari. A lot of gorgeous work is there. It's a very lovely sari. It's a must-have, ladies. Very traditional design. We have cross lines on the border with florals and leaf jal and polkas and boxes in gold zari. And the pallu has floral brocade work over it. Gorgeous gold zari work on the red color, looking very royal as usual. There's a self blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ668. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer, Miss Reshmi ji. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your compliment. It really makes up my day and really helps me to, boost myself to show you more beautiful saris every single day. So ladies, please stay tuned till the end of this episode, because I'm going to show you very more lovely saris, and you need to buy all of them at Weaver's prices. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari now. Let's have a look at this beautiful sari. This one is in beautiful shade of ultramarine blue and aqua blue. On the body we have florals and paisleys, buttees in zari. Gorgeous gold zari work is there. And the border in ultramarine blue has florals in boxes, dollars in boxes, and cross lines with florals and leaves jal and champagne gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it, and a very gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA893. Weaver's price is 12,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you the details of this very classy red sari. Let's have a closer look at it, since it's very beautiful and so many of you are loving it already. Moving on. Here's the next beautiful sari, ladies, in off-white and peach color. It's a lovely Kanchipattu sari, a pure Kanchivaram silk sari. On the body of this one, we have self-embossed diamond buttees along with floral buttees in gold zari. Lovely work all over the off-white body. And the border in pink color has zari boxes, cross lines in gold zari and florals in gold zari too. The pallu has leaf brocade work over it in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which is self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA876. Weaver's price is 7,839 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Miss Kaminiji, you can definitely consider this sari because this one is a beautiful budget pattu sari. Moving on to the next one. Here's the next beautiful sari in pink color. And as usual, pink is everyone's favorite. And on the body of this one, we have floral buttees in zari. There are two types of floral buttees in silver zari on the body. Border has floral jal and cross lines. We have florals in boxes, diamonds in boxes. There's a lot of copper zari work and a hint of silver zari, adding a lovely shine to the border. The pallu has florals and curvy checks. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu in navy blue color with copper zari work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA858. Weaver's price is 13,199 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, moving on to the next sari. This one is a beautiful peach with navy blue color Kanchipattu sari. Let's have a look at it. Another very lightweight sari, I must say. Easy to carry too. On the body we have self-embossed diamonds and lines and then diamond buttees and gold zari. We also have self-embossed florals. Border in navy blue color has florals and paisleys and gold zari along with the cross lines. And the pallu has floral brocade work in gold zari. There are florals and cross checks. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse for a very beautiful sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA873. Weaver's price is 7,519 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next gorgeous sari, a navy blue color royal classic sari. On the body of this beautiful navy blue and magenta Kanchipattu sari, we have elephants and florals and peacocks and zari checks. That is beautiful gold zari work all over the body. Border has zigzag lines, dollars in boxes, peacock work, along with the huge paisleys and quick screenshot, along with the item code, that is CA859. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moves are valid only for 24 hours and we provide global courier service all around the world. Also the weaver's prices and the cash and delivery option, that is only available in Hyderabad. So please do remember these things because they will help you and they will better your shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next one. This one is a gorgeous sari. It's a very lovely sari with a unique style design. So as you can see, it's a light blue color sari, aqua blue. And on the body we have self-embossed curvy pattern on the body. Creating such a lovely, beautiful pattern, illusionistic design on the body. Border has zigzag lines, diamonds and lines, strips and lines and all this beautiful work in gold zari. And here's the pallu. The pallu which has brocade work of cross lines over it. Let me show you the beautiful contrasting blouse in navy blue color for your aqua blue sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA885 Vivo's price is 14,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode of Kanchipattu Sarees. As you can see, we are trying to show you so many different variations in colors. The price ranges too. Some are very lightweight sarees, some are perfect for functions, weddings and events too. They're perfect for gifting also. These sarees are in such contrasting and bright colors, so please make sure you're placing your orders right away to avail to the amazing exclusive Weavers prices. Moving on to the next one. This one is a lovely pink color saree. Another lightweight saree. Pink with wine color. On the body we have self-embossed floral buttees, making the saree very gorgeous, very lightweight. And the border in wine color has floral buttees and leaf buttees in silver zari along with the cross lines which have triangles and small diamonds inside them. Let's have a look at the pallu, which is brocade. So we have floral brocade in silver zari and a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA870. Weaver's price is 7,832. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, let me know what colors, what designs you want to see in today's episode. Let me know your answers in the comment section down below so that I can help you out and show you all the beautiful sarees that you want to see. Moving on to the next one now. And here comes a gorgeous royal blue color Kanchipattu saree. It's a royal blue with navy blue saree, and on the body of this one we have self-embossed diamonds in self checks and leaf buttees in silver zari. The border has floral jal and ganda burundas in curvy checks with zigzag lines. You can see the lovely copper zari work along with the silver zari work, giving a very lovely look to the sari. And here is the pallu, which has ganda burundas in curvy checks. And this is beautiful silver zari work. Let me show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for a lovely sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA862. Weaver's price is 6,959. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next lovely classy saree from today's episode about Kanchipattu sarees. These sarees are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. Here comes the one. This one is an off-white with light blue color. And on the body we have paisley self-embossed buttees with floral detailing inside them. The border in light blue color has peacocks with florals and leaves and paisleys jal and cross lines in gold zari. And the lovely pallu, which has brocade work over it. Let me show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA867. Weaver's price is 7,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next saree. This one is in yellow with navy blue color, and you're going to love the simplicity of this saree. So let's have a look at the details. We have a beautiful plain body, and the border in navy blue color has kadi with florals, polka dots and peacocks. There's a combination of silver zari and gold zari, giving a lovely twist to your beautiful, elegant sari. The pallu has diamonds and peacock buttees over it. And a very pretty contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA872. Weaver's price is 7,759. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous saree now. This one is in green color. Another very lovely Kanchipattu saree coming up for you. It's a green with maroon saree, very beautiful color combination. And on the body of this one, we have gold zari, paisleys, buttees and floral buttees. The border in maroon color has florals and paisleys jal with cross lines in gold zari. We also have lovely temples on the edge, leaves all on the edge. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work over it. It's a contrasting pink color pallu with diamonds and cross checks, florals and dollars in boxes, and peacocks and lines in gold zari. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA883. Weaver's price is 12,799 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely saree. This one is a very gorgeous shade of blue, and with Rani ji, you can definitely consider this one. I will definitely try to show you midnight blue saree also, and I have shown some in the beginning of the episode also. And if you're not able to find the perfect shade that you're looking for, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will help you out by arranging a video call at your time of convenience. They will show you the beautiful midnight blue saree that you want to see, and you can place the order right away. So let me show you the details of this gorgeous saree now, which has floral buttees and cross checks in zari. Cross checks are in polkas form, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari, shining beautifully on the blue color body. The border in magenta color has temples and florals and boxes and cross lines, along with the zigzag lines. And the beautiful pallu has paisleys and florals and zigzag lines again. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, which has self-embossed work over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY306. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Usha ji, who wants to see a bridal saree in white and red color. So today we do not have that particular saree, but you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will arrange a video call with you at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful sarees to you very personally. I think that would be very, very helpful for you since you are looking for a bridal saree. So please make sure you're taking your appointment right away. Moving on to the next one. It's a gorgeous pink with sea green sari. On the body we have florals and boxes and zari. And this is gold and silver zari work on the pink color body. The border has gold zari kadi and a plain sea green border. Pallu has huge floral buttees over it in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU540. Weaver's price is 6,952. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next very pretty saree is in a lovely shade of green, and let's have a look at the details right away without further waiting. Here's the very gorgeous saree. Look at the beautiful design on this. So it's a plain body. And it's a borderless sari, but on the half side of the sari we have cross lines with florals and leaves jal in silver zari, giving it a very unique, interesting look. A must-have for all the beautiful ladies. Our pallu has florals and drop buttees and curvy checks. It's a contrasting pallu in sea green color. And we have a lovely contrasting blouse also. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA898. Weaver's price is 14,799, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to more further sarees, I will be showing you these simple steps. You just need to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, Weaver's prices and lives too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Dear beautiful ladies, I am back and I am going to show you very amazing sarees now. Moving on to this one. On the body of this gorgeous sari, which is in mustard and pink color, we have self-embossed leaves with leaf buttees in gold zari. Very lovely work is there on the body, and the border in bright pink color has temples, cross lines, floral buttees and leaves jal in gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has diamonds and florals and cross lines. Already we have beautiful gold zari work on the pallu also, and let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, which has self-embossed florals over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA857. Weaver's price is 5,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. It's the perfect budget sari, so ladies, please make sure you are adding to your cart right away. Let's move on to the next sari. This one is in sea green color. It's a sea green with dark green color sari. Lovely color combination. And on the body of this one, we have floral buttees, dollar buttees and silver zari. You can see the shine on the body of the sari. Beautiful work is there. And the border in dark green color has geometrical shapes in silver zari all over it, along with the cross lines. Let's have a look at the pallu, which has paisleys, jal and florals. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA869. Weaver's price is 8,319. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, dear Miss Padma ji, you want to see a white with green or a white with red sari, and today we do not have that particular shade. So all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will arrange a video call with you at your time of convenience and show you the perfect sari just for you, very personally, so you can take your time and place your order right away. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right now. Moving on to the next one. This one is a beautiful blue color sari. Let's have a look at the body. On the body, we have self leaves and jal. And border has cross lines and peacocks and florals and leaves jal. Gold zari work is there on the blue border. And our pallu has floral buttees over it. Beautiful gold zari kadi is also there, giving a lovely shine to your royal blue color pallu. Let's have a look at the self blouse for the gorgeous blue sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA864. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next sari. This one is a peachy pink color sari, a very lovely and feminine shade. Let's have a look at this very unique sari. We have a plain body, but here we have, on the half side of the sari, we have leaf buttees in silver zari. It's a gorgeous borderless sari. And the pallu has brocade work over it. Again in silver zari, we have floral brocade work. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in green color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA881. Weaver's price is 14,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear lovely ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris on the mannequin so that you can have a look, you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you wear it yourself. And moving on to the first one now. This one is a bottle green color kanchipattu sari, which has floral buttees and zari on the body. Again, it's a lovely borderless sari, giving it a very contemporary look. And our pallu has brocade work over it. We have a self blouse for the sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA890. Weaver's price is 11,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to today's next sari. This one is a beautiful yellow color sari with lovely gold zari work over it. So on the body of this one, we have leaves jal and peacocks in gold. Border has cross lines and diamonds, again in gold zari, along with the temples and dollars and boxes. And our pallu has diamonds and cross checks. We have a self blouse in yellow color for a lovely sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA861. Weaver's prices 16,499. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very good morning to a very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha ji. Good to have you here today. And let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess also to have a wonderful weekend ahead, to have a very stress-free weekend and to have an amazing shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Now moving on to today's next sari in beautiful pink color. Again a very contemporary style sari, I must say, and on the body we have leaves jal and weave buttis and zari. So we have this design in box style. We have self-embossed work also, very beautiful work is there. It's a borderless sari giving it a very contemporary look, and the pallu has diamond brocade work over it. We have a self blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA895. Weaver's prices 15,199. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Moving on to the next sari now. And this is going to be the last sari for today's episode, and a very classy sari. Love the color of this one. It's a dark grey color Kanchipattu sari, pure Kanjivaram silk sari with geometrical shapes and floral buttis and copper zari, which is shining brightly on the grey color. The border has cross lines over it with diamonds, and the pallu has brocade work over it. We have a self blouse in grey color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA889. Weaver's price is 15,840. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Dear Miss Ranjana ji, thank you so much for loving my sari and my look today. I also love it so much. The beautiful sari that I'm wearing is by Varamahalakshmi Silks, and you need to place the order right away to avail to the Weaver's prices. So dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Kanchipattu Saris, pure Kanjivaram silk saris. These are the weave and the pride of South India. I hope you will be placing your orders right away, because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep showing us a lot of love and a lot of support as usual. Namaskaram.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.